Folks, got a little video request from one of my subscribers, 76 Cheyenne, and it's about the COBRA 139 XLR, a video that I put up like 6 years ago. Jeez, it's been that long since I done anything with that poor radio. Wicked. Anyways, 76 Cheyenne says, "Hi, I realize it's been a while since you posted these vids. I need help, just got one from eBay. Someone cut all the wires off the PA-CB switch. You have 3 gold speaker wires on the switch, and I want to put them back to factory. Don't know what colors go where on the switch. Schematic doesn't help. Can you help? Looks to be 9 pins on the switch and 8 wires. Thank you." Well, it's definitely been a while since I uploaded the video on the COBRA 139 XLR Troubleshooting and Repair Part 1. It just so happens, 76 Cheyenne, that today's your lucky day, because I in fact still have this COBRA 139 XLR. Here she be. I haven't used this radio in a long time, basically because she loves to eat the outputs. She loves to eat the power outputs, transistors. She just loves eating them. So I kind of gave up on it. Receives perfect. With the transmitter, not so much. So anyways, you want to know how the CBPA switch is wired on the COBRA 139? Well, I'm going to see what I can do to help answer that question with mine. Stay tuned. Okay, 76 Cheyenne. This is my old COBRA 139 XLR, and yeah. She's pretty rough, very rough. But this one I tried fixing. I mean, it does, work. Yeah. Anyway, so the critter you're looking for is the center switch here. So basically, let's start on this side over here. This is with the radio facing you, turned upside down. So what we have here, the 3 pins all the way to the left. You have your green wire. You have a yellow wire with white stripe. You have a brown wire with white stripe. That's the 3 pins to the left. The center pins, you have a red wire and you have a orange wire. Then you have, on the right hand side, you have a purple wire, another red wire, and another purple wire. So purple, white, red, and purple. Purple, white, red, and purple. So that's the color code you're looking at for your CBPA switch. And, well, you get the first 3. You kind of go on over here, branch off, and kind of go off onto this general direction. Then you have your red and orange, again, that goes off into this general direction. And then you have the purple, white, red, and purple, which kind of goes over into this general direction. You can kind of follow them below here, and it goes off branches off on the part of the board here. But that is your color code. If you have speaker wires on that switch, chances are somebody has tried to modify the UPD858 PLL chip at some point or another. I mean, what they could have done, instead of destroying the wiring on that switch, basically they could have just unscrewed that switch, take it off, tape it up, secure it, insulate it, and just, you know, take it and tie wrap it onto the wires here somewhere so it doesn't touch anything. And they could have put another switch in its place and done all the mods or whatever they want to do with it. The original switch could have been there, still in place, and not, you know, screwed up. But yeah. So that's the COBRA 139, the CBAPA switch. Well, hopefully that helped you out. 76 Cheyenne. Hopefully that worked for you. Need any more help? Info on the COBRA 139 XLR on the CBAPA switch, or any other information, I would assume, on the old radio? Let me know. I'll help you out best I can. All the best, and 73. Well, you know, I gotta hook a microphone up to it and plug it in, just to have a wee peek at it. Ooh, she's scratchy. She's crunchy. She modulates. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. No RF power, as you can see. I'm going to do dummy load. Not enough power there to run nothing. Not even flea power. But anyway, that'd turn on just for kicks. Alright folks, again, 73.